Hello everybody, Dominic with Forest Park Honda here. Real quick, going to show you a new addition to our pre-owned inventory. This is a 2024 Honda CB300R ABS model in matte black metallic. This bike is in excellent condition with just 1,800 miles on it. This bike is a fantastic option for somebody looking to get back into riding or starting out with their first bike. And let's take a look at this matte black metallic. The metallic flake certainly sparkles in the sun. Standard equipment on this bike, of course, includes LED lighting, headlights, taillights, turn signals. This is, of course, powered by a fuel-injected, liquid-cooled engine with the 6-speed manual transmission with an extremely easy clutch pull. This bike certainly focuses on ease of operation and maintenance, including running on just regular fuel. And while we're on the subject of fuel, this bike does have a 2.6 gallon fuel capacity. Extremely lightweight at just 316 pounds for the operating curb weight. And has a nice accessible 31.6-inch seat height. And as you can see, ready to go to carry a passenger. Let's go ahead and take a look at that mileage. 1,800 miles. Go ahead and start it up for you. As you can hear, the bike fires right up, has a nice grumble to it. Of course, if you have any particular questions on this machine, feel free to give us a call at Forest Park Honda, Erie, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 814-833-3051, extension 170. My name's Dominic. Give us a call on this one.